Have you ever wondered what your birth chart says about you? Your birth chart is like a cosmic blueprint that reveals your personality, strengths, challenges, and even your destiny. Today, I'll show you how to read your birth chart step by step even if you're a complete beginner. Let's dive in. What is a birth chart? Your birth chart, also called a natal chart, is a snapshot of the sky at the exact moment you were born. It maps out where the planets, sun, and moon were positioned. This chart holds the key to understanding yourself on a deeper level. How to get your birth chart? To read your birth chart, you first need to generate one. You'll need your date of birth, your exact time of birth, your place of birth. Go to a free astrology website, enter your details, and your birth chart appears. Now, let's break it down. Understanding the big three: sun, moon, and rising. The first things to look at are your big three. Sun sign, your core personality and identity. Moon sign, your emotions and inner world. Rising sign. For example, if your sun is in Leo, you're bold and creative. If your moon is in Pisces, you're sensitive and intuitive. And if your rising is in Virgo, people see you as organized and analytical. The 12 houses. Your life areas. Your birth chart is divided into 12 houses, each representing different parts of your life. Here's a quick guide. First house, self and identity. Second house, money and values. Third house, communication. Fourth house, creativity. Sixth house, work and health. Seventh house, relationships. Eighth house, transformation and secrets. Ninth house, 12th house, spirituality and subconscious. The planets and what they mean. Next, let's talk about the planets and what they control. Sun, your core self. Moon, emotions and instincts. Mercury, communication and thinking. Venus, love and beauty. Mars, action and drive. Jupiter, luck and expansion. Saturn, discipline and lessons. Uranus, change and rebellion. Neptune, dreams and intuition. Pluto, power and transformation. How to put it all together? Now, put it all together. Ask yourself, which zodiac signs are in my big three? What houses do my planets fall into? Are there any patterns or connections between planets? Reading your birth chart takes practice, but it's a fun and powerful tool to understand yourself better. Keep exploring, and soon you'll unlock the secrets of the universe hidden in your stars. If you loved this, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your sun, moon, and rising signs. Let's talk astrology.